Hey there everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 AMD AGS X64 that the missing or not found error. So follow along and I'll fix this problem for you. Just before we do begin, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. First things first, go ahead and click on Start menu and type in Windows Security. There you go. Click on Windows Security. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Protection History. Over here, go ahead and find the Forza Horizon related file or the app. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. Click on Actions. Click on Allow or Restore. It should look something like this, but there's an option for a different one. So it's either Restore or Allow on device. Once you do that, go ahead and exit out and relaunch your game. Now, if the problem still persists, let's move on to the next option. Go ahead and click on your Start menu once more. Type in Virus and Threat Protection again. Click on it. Scroll down and go to Virus and Threat Protection Settings and click on Manage. Over here, scroll down once more. On Exclusions, click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Over here, click that plus button for add an exclusion. So basically, you're just gonna go ahead and click on the folder or the file for the game itself. So basically, go ahead and click on folder right over here, and wherever your game is currently located, just go ahead and click on it. Select folder. As you can see, so basically we can go ahead and click on Write Games right over here. Select folder, and that won't be any problem with the error itself. It won't pop up or anything. Once you do that, close it out, relaunch your game, and it should be fixed. Now, if none of those works, go ahead and click on your Steam right over here. Click Library. Right click on your game. Properties. On the left panel, click Install Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. So basically what it's going to do, it's going to fix any corrupted files or missing files that might affect the issue that keeps popping up when you're trying to launch the game. So wait for it to finish. But once it's finished, go ahead and exit this out, relaunch your game, and it should be fixed. One last thing that you could do is basically click on your game, click on the gear icon right over here, and click on install your game. Reinstalling is the last option. So basically, if any of these steps helped you fix your game, please leave a like on this video. Let me know if you like this content like this. I'll see you on the next one.